Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses to see if they're the ultimate tech accessory. So let's get right into it. First off, these glasses bring together the iconic Ray-Ban style you know and love, now powered by Meta's cutting-edge technology. They've even expanded their frame options to fit a wider range of face shapes. That means more people can rock this amazing tech. One of the standout features is the built-in Meta AI. You can ask it to take photos or videos, dig up information, create clever image captions, or even check out FAQs. Imagine never missing a beat because your hands are always free. Cooking, watching a game, sharing core memories. Your POV can be live streamed with ease. Speaking of photos and videos, the updated camera is a game changer. You get high-quality photos and videos, all hands-free. Plus, the built-in editing features make it super easy to share your world in the best light possible. The glasses also come with discreet open-ear speakers. Enjoy rich audio quality without losing touch with your surroundings. Whether you're on a call or jamming to your favorite tunes, you'll appreciate the seamless audio experience. Now let's talk lenses. These aren't just any lenses. They offer advanced clarity, comfort, and 100% UVA and UVB protection. You can get them in prescription, sun, clear, polarized, or even transitions R lenses. Perfect for matching your style and vision needs. I found this review from July 2nd, 2024 that says it all. I have wanted these sunglasses since they came out, and let me tell you, they are worth every penny. They record in 1080p. The video quality is crystal clear HD, and the audio is top-notch with 5 microphones. These have become my everyday sunglasses. Built-in speakers, easy music controls, and polarized lenses for those night drives. I'm saving up for a prescription clear lens pair next. Other designer glasses can't compete with the ability to capture memories and moments in time. That's a 5-star review, folks. So, are Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses the best tech accessory? I'd say they're a strong contender. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech goodness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.